I'm Mike Gonzales, the U.S. Ambassador to Zambia. On behalf of the American people, I'd like to congratulate Zambia on 20 years of partnership with the United States through the President's Emergency Plan for AIDS Relief, or PEPFAR. Over these past 20 years, our two countries have worked together to strengthen Zambia's national HIV response, and we've accomplished so much. 20 years ago, Zambia faced a devastating HIV crisis with high levels of new infections and an alarming rate of AIDS-related deaths. The United States government, with the advent of PEPFAR, intensified the fight against HIV and AIDS and called on other nations to do the same. PEPFAR was and remains the largest commitment by any nation in history devoted to a single disease. PEPFAR has contributed nearly $6 billion, or 100 billion kwacha, to Zambia's HIV response since 2003. Over the years, PEPFAR Zambia has adopted innovative, community-based approaches to ensure that the most underserved groups across the country have access to life-saving HIV services. PEPFAR Zambia focuses on underserved groups such as adolescents and young people, children, people with disabilities, and others who are most impacted by HIV. We continue to prioritize reaching those who are living with HIV but not yet on treatment and preventing new infections. Through PEPFAR programs, young people have access to community-based centers where various HIV prevention options are available. These programs are also empowering adolescent girls and young women, increasing their employability and providing them with skills for employment. And for those living with HIV today, medication is available through PEPFAR at no cost to enable them to live healthy, productive lives. What PEPFAR Zambia has accomplished over the last 2 decades has saved hundreds of thousands of lives and has directly contributed to improving the life expectancy of Zambians from 48 years back in 2003 to 64 years today. That is remarkable. So now let's keep up the momentum. I encourage all of you to influence your friends and family to access HIV testing and treatment, especially for children living with HIV. Let's erase the stigma, the hesitancy, and the misinformation that keeps people living with HIV from accessing treatment. This call to action is the kickoff of our year-long 20th anniversary celebration. Over the coming year, PEPFAR Zambia will engage with people from all walks of life who are living with or affected by HIV epidemic. PEPFAR will document their inspiring stories that show the progress that's been made over these past 20 years. Follow the U.S. Embassy Zambia on Facebook and Twitter. Take part in this celebration and learn more about the work of the PEPFAR Zambia team. As I conclude, let me congratulate again the government of Zambia, the PEPFAR Zambia team, and the Zambian people. Not only the staff, but everyone who's been touched by PEPFAR programs for 20 years of remarkable service towards Zambia's national HIV response. Together, we can end HIV as a public health threat by the year 2030. Let's keep up the great work. Thank you.